Hey bird nerds, I know many of you guys have asked a day in the life with bird nerd, I guess you could say. I've got my blue-faced parrot finches that I've got here that I'm going to move into the big 8 flight. My female down here, down there, sorry, down, click the bottom. She's got all her feathers growing back for the most part, doing really well. So we're gonna put her back in the aviary. We just won't have her with that one male because I don't want him to attack her. So just gonna kind of show you guys some of the things we do. We've got, let me turn around the camera for you. Beautiful batch of chicks this round. Bird nerds, if you guys are out there watching this for the first time or multiple times, click that like and subscribe button. Join the bird nerd family if you want to learn more about finches, how to care for them, how to breed them, how to enjoy them, how to clean them. Whatever you want, we're here to share the knowledge of birds. We've got multiple species here. Appreciate you guys. Those that have joined the bird nerd family, thank you. We love you. Everything that, any penny of earnings that I make from YouTube or from Instagram comes back into this. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and join the bird nerd family, and we'll see you in other videos. I've got most of my baby zebras have started to fledge, if not have fledged. So we're gonna close up this top flight here and this bottom flight. Let's open it up so you guys can see. I've got one of the babies down here. I'm gonna close this up. We're gonna close this up. We're gonna put some individual pairs in there and different birds so that we can breed some of the Goulians. And I want to pair up one of my rosy borks. So not these ones. These ones are my young ones, but my adult pair of rosy borks up there, they're starting to want to breed, so we're gonna give them that chance and opportunity. So, and then I would like to, if we get to it today, I'd like to. So we've got our Amadine finches here, the 2 pairs, but I've got my parrot finches down here. We're gonna move this female out. I have my zebra baby from this top pair. I took her out. She's doing good. We're gonna put her in the big flight. I'd like to set up a couple pairs of my European self-society finches and see if we can get some babies from them. That would be really nice. And then my zebra finch pair down here, I've had them paired up for the same amount of time as these guys. They're on their 3rd clutch of eggs. They haven't laid any eggs. Look in there. Nothing. So I don't think the female is ready to breed for some reason. Not sure what's going on there, but we're gonna pull her out. We're gonna give him a new mate. So I would like to get all that done today with you guys. All right, so we've got my hen. She was down there, and you see the backs of her feathers all growing back. She's still got a little bald spot on her forehead that's coming back in. All of her belly feathers have come back in. She's looking a lot better. Once she gets that little bald spot to come in, which has pin feathers there, she'll be nice and good. But her legs healed and everything's looking good. She's been itching to get back into the flight, so we're gonna let her go back in so that she can have exercise, be in with the other birds. Let's see how she does. There she goes. Good job, mama. So good. Pretty big night and day difference from just a few weeks ago where she was completely bare and bald. Now she's got those new feathers coming in. Still looks a little scraggly, but she's to the point where she's just itching to get back in with the birds. Her legs healed, she can fly. she's got her energy back, so we were able to release her back in with these guys. So I just made sure that I just put her in the other flight and made sure that she was not in the same flight as that boy who was the one who attacked her. So we'll leave it at that and keep an eye on her for the next few days and see how she does. Okay, so you can see, there's my female. Oh, their tail's bobbing a little bit. There's my male in there. I'm gonna check one more time to see if she's laid any eggs. And if not, we're gonna pull this pair out and we're gonna put my blue face parrot finches in here. Okay, so unfortunately still no eggs in there. Not sure why the hen hasn't laid any eggs, but we are gonna remove them and catch them. And look at that male. He really is a stunning looking bird. Such a cool looking guy. Well, for sure, we're still gonna get him a mate to breed, but I'm just gonna put him in. I'm gonna put him back in here. I'm gonna put him down here in this bottom cage with another female and see if we'll get some better success that way of them breeding. We're gonna breed him and a pair of borks down into there. See how it goes for us. Okay, we've got this little blue guy. He's got a green band. Saw him singing yesterday and chasing one of the hens. Maybe this one was the hen. Head's looking a little bald. I remember because one had a green band, one had a blue band. One was singing the other and chasing, looked like they were trying to build a nest. So we're gonna take them and we're gonna put them into that cage right there. There we go. All right, let's catch us the other one now. Okay, here's our male. Throw him on in here. Now we're going to catch all these guys, all these blue face, and we're going to put them in with all the other parrot finches for a little bit. beautiful Lutino, sorry. No, it's a dilute. There we go. Beautiful. Such beautiful birds. Turn it this way so you guys are better. You know, these guys really are pretty fragile birds, so it is important to be as soft as we can with them. Okay, we've got them in here. It's gonna take them a minute to get their wings back on them. They've been in that smaller holding cage for the last month. This will give them a nice opportunity to get some exercise, get their wings back underneath them. And then a couple of them are molting, so we're gonna let them molt and then probably do the same thing what we've done here. I'm letting these guys do one more clutch of babies, and then we'll take that pair out. We'll put another pair of blue face in there in hopes that maybe we can get us some blue face babies. That's the goal. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully your birds are nice and healthy. You're doing good. Shoot me a like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Go on and check on the Bird Nerd merch. See that I'm wearing it right now. Got the hat, got the sweater. Go and support the Bird Nerd family. It'd be much appreciated, and we'll see you guys next time.